Hi, this is Ms. Hess, and I'm going to go over with you how to start your geometry class. You'll notice up here that the web address is bb.ccpsnet.net. You want to make sure that you are always on this website. This is the Chesterfield Blackboard website, and I'm using the web browser Firefox because that one works best with Blackboard. I'm going to go ahead and sign in under my student ID. And when I come into my institution page, you'll see geometry right here on the right. I'm going to go ahead and open that up and explain to you what's located here on the left taskbar. You'll notice that you have an announcements, which is always up on the first part of your page. Wonderful video of me. Your course information, which includes your Term 1 pacing guide. All of your pacing guides will show up in here in the course syllabus. There is a screen with teacher and counselor information for any contact information if you need to get a hold of us. SOL review material for all of your SOL needs. We also have a showing your work in geometry, which is a document which you'll see later on when we get to lessons, and 2 formula sheets, one for your midterm and one for your final exam. We have your orientation, which you should have already completed, your lessons, your grades, which is your grade book. If we open that up, you'll see all of your grades here. And then down below here are the assessments. If we go into that screen, you will see all the assessments that you'll have for the entire year. They look like a lot, but remember you're doing this over a whole year time. And the discussion boards. So when you want to get started, you're going to hit My Lessons. You should have this icon pop up, the little page with the world and the word lessons. If you've not completed your orientation, this will say empty folder on it. We're going to click into lessons, and you'll notice that there's a module 1 through 8. Now, 2 modules will be done each 9 weeks. When you click into module 1, you'll notice that there's a checklist. In the checklist, it gives you a list of all of the activities that you'll do. There is showing your work in geometry, which is a copy of that worksheet you saw at the beginning on that left taskbar. The motif and course information will give you an overview of the structure, and your first assignment is going to be the pre-test module. When you go in here, you can see the way that each lesson is set up. There's a lesson, a practice, and an assignment. And so the lesson could run further than the length of the page, but it'll only be on one page, so you'll need to make sure you scroll down. The practice will usually have a couple documents in here for you to try out the things that you learned in the lesson, and the assignment. Once you read what you need to do on the assignment, like this one says Part 1, go to the assessments area of the course and complete 1.01 Module 1 pretest. Then what you'll want to do is go back to your home site. You'll notice I just clicked the geometry up here at the top, go into assessments, and when that will eventually pull up, here is my 1.01 Module 1 pretest. I click into that, click begin, and this is my pretest to take for geometry. You'll notice that there are 42 questions, and you'll want to save your answers as you go through. Okay, now back to lessons. I'm just going to leave this page just to give you an idea of one of the other lessons that you'll have. We'll just pick segments here. You'll notice that each of them are set up in their own manner. See the honors part? You're not in honors, so you don't have to go into this. As you scroll down, you'll see the lesson. There's some interactive things, some links that you can click on. Once you get to the bottom, you've taken any notes that you need, go to the practice. The practice will give you some problems that you can work on, a way to check your answers, maybe some interactive websites, and the assignments where it tells you exactly what you need to do for this course. It says read the text in the lesson, take notes on the segments, complete the practice problems, and then go to the assessment and complete 1.04 segments. That's a basic overview. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me either by phone, text, or email, and I will try to help you out. Good luck.